Hello, in this video we are going to talk about the 1xbet promo code for bonus. So it will be very simple to do. First, you will come and click on registration right up. Then by doing so, you will come and click on the option by email, which will be the full registration, where you will enter all your information, short name, you put your country, your region, your date of birth, your mail, your phone number, your password. Then from here, you will come at the promo code, which you take BOTV. This promo code will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. So if you put an amount of $10, for example, you will obtain $30 there by accepting the terms and conditions privacy policy. Then by clicking on register with the promo code of BOTV for bonus. Then now from here, you will come at your menu. Then as you have used the promo code, by putting now your first deposit of account, by putting a considerable amount of money, you will now come and click here on your electronic purse. By clicking on it, you will realize that when you have done the first deposit of account, you will see that just right down at the place of main account, just down, you will see that there will be the option of bonus account, where you will use now that option so as for you to use it for the bonus, where you can use it so as to bet or place your bet on your matches and then play normally. And it is as simple as that.